Hello everyone, my name is Randy Carroll and today we are going to go through one of Ruuster's more hidden features. So I'm excited to unearth this with you. This particular feature could be called our hidden vendors feature. Now it's something that's done specifically on the admin level. So if you are an agent watching this and you think this is particularly interesting, be in touch with an admin on your account. And it's best configured on the Ruuster dashboard. So you really do want to log into your specific Ruuster platform. So I scroll down under admin view and click into my trusted vendor section. And I select my list of vendors that I want to potentially hide. I select my edit tab settings. And you'll notice there's a selection down here that says tag-based visibility. Enable this tag-based visibility feature for this tab. What this does is gives you the ability to hide or display this set of vendors based off of a tag being applied in one of our integrated CRMs. So right now, just to recap, our currently supported CRMs through native integration is Follow Up Boss and Sierra Interactive. So if I enable this tag-based visibility, I'm given a new set of options here to configure. Visibility, condition, and tag. Do I want to show vendors with this tag applied, or don't show the vendors of this tab to the leads in your database? So what are examples of this? This feature was requested because we had a client who had gone around his marketplace and negotiated exclusive discounts specifically for his clients. And he meant his clients. He did not negotiate these exclusive discounts for anyone who downloaded his app and reached out to these vendors in the area. So when he uploaded his vendors into the app, there were certain vendors that he didn't want just anyone to have access to. So now through this feature, you can hide those unique vendors, and then you can actually make them discoverable or viewable, however you want to call it, by applying a tag in one of the integrated CRMs. You choose the name of that tag. So you can see here, show is selected, show the vendors of this tab to clients with the following tag, transacted_client. So for any lead in your database that has the tag transacted_client, they can see the list of vendors in the way that you know and enjoy today. If they don't have that tag applied and they download your app, instead of seeing that list of vendors, they're actually going to see whatever special marketing message you write here. So for example, this could say, please get in touch with your agent to unlock exclusive discounts. So the way this would work is you would now take this tag, you would go into your Follow Up Boss or Sierra Interactive CRM, apply this tag, and now any client with the tag transacted_client will be able to see these lists of vendors that you've created. So alternatively, you can have it say, don't show the vendors. So if this were to say something like, new lead, and all of your new leads that are tagged as such specifically won't be able to see these vendors. So however makes more sense based off of your business, but this is a feature that we consider to be particularly unique, and I want to make sure everyone knows about it. So that is really all I have for today. I will say, from a best practices standpoint, best unique ways to use this is you can actually have multiple lists of vendors. You could have your transaction-facing vendors, your mortgage, title, insurance, home warranty, moving company per se. And then you could have a totally separate list of your exclusive vendors with these exclusive discounts. Think your contractors, electricians, plumbers, roofers. You don't want just anybody to have access to those. You only want your verified clients to have access to those vendors. that is one way you could segment your list of vendors and use that feature accordingly. So I hope everyone found that useful. Please, please, please feel free to reach out to helpme@ruuster.com. That's helpme@ruuster with 2 U's.com if you have any questions or need some assistance in setting this up. That's all for now.